So today I received this engraver pen from Amazon. It came with a bunch of different tools, two stylus, and a lot of stencils I'm excited about. I'm gonna go ahead and show you to use it. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of the round bits to engrave on glass. So to turn it on, it's really simple. You plug it here and on.
C'est comme ça.
And that's it. After, if you want to get more creative, you can use whatever stylus that came with it. And you can use it on glass, woods, metal. And it says that you can use as manicures as well. I'm not sure about it. I will have to try to see what it does and what I can do with it.